guys, in this video here they paved that's asphalt binder and that's asphalt surface. You can see the joints, cold joints, and they painted, stripe painted for parking lot, backfill topsoil behind curb, islands, and do some landscaping, trees. Okay, so here you can see some plants and trees, flowers. So that's this one, that's the top, that's the asphalt surface, that's the asphalt binder. You can see concrete curb lines, concrete curb island. That's parking lot for this project, auto parking lot, shop over here. That's for cars, car wash, auto car wash. Over there, car dealers will be. So that's parking lot is done, paving for parking lot, and they decided to stop here until finish this project and then come back to tie and pave more asphalt surface. Okay guys, so this video about paving, asphalt paving, binder and asphalt topping, concrete curb, island, landscaping and parking lot stripe paint. Thank you guys, bye.